purpose of our project is to reduce food loss and waste in the food supply chain, and to do it in a systemic way. We have 9 systemic innovations that we are working on, and they capture the food supply chain from pre-harvest to consumption. We also work for policy interventions, and one of the major works that we are doing is the policy recommendations for just transition towards zero food waste. One of the most interesting one and the real innovation of ZeroW is actually converting retail food waste into growth medium from microalgae. And in this way, you reduce the food waste from the retail, but instead of putting it into landfills or for anaerobic digestion for electricity, you valorize it in something that is actually very high value, because the growth medium for the microalgae is a very expensive thing. So it's a win-win situation for the 2 supply chains.
The CHORIZO project was focused on investigating social norms that shape behavior that leads to food waste. And then also understand what is, how can we change the behavior. Another objective was to take stock of already existing measures, actions to reduce food loss and waste, and also evaluate to what extent they are effective or not. I appreciate different products that were developed based on the results and the insights on how social norms shape behavior. We have tried to translate them into practical guidance to steer people's behavior towards less food waste. We also have developed a decision tree where retailers can decide what to do with leftovers. I think if we could further spread the uptake of these products, that we can have a big impact on different types of stakeholders.
I think what really stands out in these projects is the multi-actor approach that they showcase. So really putting together experts from different areas, different fields, and acknowledging the fact that the issues related to food waste, as in all issues in food systems, are not simple. They require collaboration from multiple levels, multiple actors. Also acknowledging that behavioral change is really important when we talk about food waste. So looking at how we can really influence consumers' behavior for a long-lasting change. This is what the projects did, and successfully so.